Oh.
Okay, you can. Fine.
All right. So, welcome to the 2100 slot. It's public transportation SMS ticket hacking from Pavol. So, please give me your hands.
Okay, so welcome at my presentation. My name is Pavol Luptak. I'm from Slovakia. I work as a security consultant in one penetration testing company. I appreciate if this talk would be more informal. So if you don't understand anything, or just raise your hand and ask me, and I will explain you. No problem. Okay, so I will be talking about public transport SMS tickets hacking. SMS tickets are massively used in Central Europe, mainly in Prague, Vienna, Bratislava, but also in some other cities. How it works? When you want to buy SMS ticket, you just send some special request to some specific number. For example, TBT, and in a few seconds you will receive unique SMS response, which is supposed to be your unique SMS valid ticket. It means that for example, this is example of such SMS ticket. This is unique code, which is valid from 1 p.m. 20 to 2 p.m. 50. And when you meet a public transport inspector, you just show this SMS ticket to him, and he can verify it by just writing down this SMS ticket to his PDA and verify if your SMS ticket or SMS public transport ticket is valid or not. Many public transport companies have possibility to request for a duplicate if the SMS ticket is deleted, or you lose your mobile phone, or your mobile phone is out of battery. Okay, so firstly, who is still vulnerable? Biggest public transport companies in Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland, and also Austria. I don't know what is the situation in other countries, but some people told me that SMS tickets are also used in Holland. So. I contacted these public transport companies approximately 1 year ago and sent them this paper. I explained it to them how serious is this vulnerability, but they still ignore this fact and still use the vulnerable systems. So at this moment, I have no information if there are some public transport company who use safe SMS public transport ticket. Okay, so how it normally works? So you want to ask for SMS ticket. You just send text message with some text, for example, DPT. This text message is received by public transport SMS ticket server. Public transport SMS ticket server in a few seconds generates for you unique SMS tickets, and this unique SMS ticket is sent back to you in a few seconds. Okay, so there is some all valid SMS tickets database. Okay, so let's go to look for some security problems. SMS token seems to be quite random, and it's very difficult to predict, as you can see. The other problem is that the inspector uses his PDA for online verification. So his PDA uses some GSM module, and when you meet this inspector, he just writes down your SMS token, and in a few seconds he finds if your SMS ticket is valid or not. But there's a big security problem. There is no connection between user identity and his SMS ticket. It means that this SMS ticket can be, for defined period, shared by community, by some hackers community. Legislatively, it is prohibited to generate these SMS tickets, these copies of SMS ticket, but practically, at this moment, there is no way how to detect these duplicates. So when you decide to follow this paper, this presentation, and make your own implementation, there is no way how to detect it, or how to detect it quite cheaply. Yet?
Excuse me, why is it not possible to detect if a ticket is duplicated? Because the inspector uses PDA for an online verification, and it should be a way to close the ticket that was shown for a first time or so.
It's not possible because this SMS ticket is not associated to the name of to this person. This SMS ticket is associated only to his mobile number. But this week, so in the following minutes, I will explain and I will show you how it is possible to make full man-in-the-middle attack, full man-in-the-middle attack between a passenger and a public transport inspector. So you will see. Be patient. Okay, so we need to do two things. First, we need to find a way how to effectively generate SMS tickets. I found out that any SMS message can be easily locally generated, but you need a special smartphone. Every mobile phone with Symbian, Windows Mobile, or iPhone has a capability to generate local SMS with predefined sender recipient body and also status flag. It means, for example, we are able to generate visually absolutely same SMS, including not read yet flag. So we practically verified this behavior. We were able to generate local SMS on Symbian S60v3. Now we need to solve SMS distribution. So we need to solve. We need to find a way how to distribute original SMS ticket to members of hackers community. There are two ways. The first one is using SMS channel, which is quite expensive, and in this method we can't modify SMS headers. For example, send the recipient status flag. But there is another better way, using TCP/IP, which is very cheap because we send just very short SMS requests and SMS responses. But the problem is that you need to have some prepaid mobile data service. You need to have access to internet through your mobile phone. And of course, your mobile phone has to be capable to generate local SMS. So you need to have smartphone, of course. Okay, so this picture of our hacked SMS ticket architecture. As you can see, in every mobile phone there is special SMS hack client installed, which is Java, not only Java, but mainly Java application. This application communicates using TCP/IP with SMS hack server. All communication is encapsulated in SSL, secure socket layer, so it's point-to-point fully encrypted. Then we have a mobile phone, which is connected to central SMS hack server, and we use this SMS. We use this